हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम देखने जा रहे हैं संबलपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स का 6th सेमेस्टर का सिलेबस। 6th सेमेस्टर में कोर पेपर 13, कोर पेपर 14, डीएससी 3rd, डीएससी 4th, दैट इज प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट। कोर पेपर 13 में हम पढ़ेंगे हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया 8th, दैट इज 1857 से लेकर 1950 तक। कोर पेपर 13 में कोर पेपर 14 में हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न यूरोप 2 1880 से लेकर 1939 तक। देन हिस्ट्री एंड कल्चर ऑफ उड़ीसा 3rd पार्ट डीएससी 3rd में हम पढ़ेंगे। कोर पेपर 13 हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया बिटवीन 1857 टू 1950। इसमें है 4 यूनिट। फर्स्ट यूनिट में हम पढ़ेंगे कल्चरल चेंजेस, सोशियो एंड रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट्स। 1 द एडवेंट ऑफ प्रिंटिंग एंड इट्स इम्प्लीकेशंस। 2 रिफॉर्म एंड रिवाइवल, ब्राह्मण समाज, आर्य समाज, अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट। 3rd इमांसिपेशन ऑफ वुमेन, संस्कृताइजेशन एंड एंटी कास्ट मूवमेंट्स। यूनिट 2 नेशनलिज्म ट्रेंड्स अप टू 1919। यूनिट 2 में पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आईएनसी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस। देन वी हैव मॉडरेट्स एंड एक्सट्रीमिस्ट्स। 3rd स्वेडिश मूवमेंट, इट इज स्वदेशी मूवमेंट। ओके। 4 रेवोल्यूशनरीज। यूनिट 3rd गांधीयन नेशनलिज्म आफ्टर 1919, आइडियल्स एंड मूवमेंट्स। इसमें महात्मा गांधी, हिज पर्सपेक्टिव एंड मेथड्स, नॉन कोऑपरेशन, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस एंड क्विट इंडिया। सुभाष चंद्र बोस एंड आईएनए इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी। 4 नेशनलिज्म एंड सोशल ग्रुप्स, peasants, tribes, dalits and women. Unit 4 communalism and partitions. Here we'll read ideologies and practices, formation of Muslim League, Hindu Mahasabha, partition and independence. 4 making of the constitution. Here some of the reading list that we have to follow. Bipin Chandra, Sumit Sarkar, K.N. Panikkar, these are the suggested readings. Shekhar Bandyopadhyay from Plassey to Partition, N.S. Bose, Indian Army and Bengal. Core paper 14 History of Modern Europe between 1880s to 1939. Unit 1st Liberal Democracy, Working Class Movements and Socialism in the 19th and 20th century. First, the struggle for parliamentary democracy and civil liberties in Britain. 2 forms of protest during early capitalism, food riots in France and England, Luddites and Chartism. 3rd early socialist thought, Marxian socialism. Unit 2 the crisis of feudalism in Russia and experiments in socialism. First, emancipation of serfs. 2 revolutions of 1905, the Bolshevik Revolution of 1917. 3rd programs of socialist construction. Unit 3 imperialism, war and crisis between 1880s to 1939. Growth of militarism, power blocks and alliances, expansion of European empires. First World War 1914 से लेकर 1918. 2 fascism and Nazism. 3rd the Spanish Civil War. 4 origins of the Second World War. Unit 4th intellectual developments since 1850, major intellectual trends. First, mass education and extension of literacy. 2 institutionalization of disciplines, history, sociology and anthropology. 3rd Darwin and Freud. Here some of the reading list. C.M. Kipola, Fontana, Economic History of Europe, the Industrial Revolution, T.S. Summary, Restoration, Revolution and Reaction, Economics, Politics in Germany. Discipline specific elective paper third. History and Culture of Odisha third. Unit 1, Buddhism in Odisha, Jainism in Odisha, Shaivism in Odisha. Unit 2, Shaktism and Tantricism in Odisha. 2, Growth of Vaishnavism in Odisha and Cult of Jagannath. 3rd, Growth of Odia literature, Sarala Mahabharata. 4, Panchasakha literature. Unit 3rd, Buddhist art and architecture. 2nd, Jain art. 3rd, Evolution of temple architecture, Parsurameswara, Mukteswara, Lingaraj, Jagannath and Kanarka. Unit 4, Christian missionaries, education and health. 2nd, Mahima movement and its impact. 3rd, New Hindu movement, Brahma, Arya Samaj. Here some of the reading list, suggested reading. Discipline specific elective paper, that is optional or project. Political developments, 2nd Congress Ministry, integration of princely states with Odisha, new capital Hirakud Dam project, years of uncertainties, 3rd Congress Ministry and abolition of Zamindari system, Biju Pandak's first ministry achievements. Unit 2nd, United Political Initiatives, First Coalition Politics, Achievement and Challenges, R.N. Singhdeo, Sadashiv Tripathi, Panchayati Raj Institution, its working and impacts, rural stages, urban stages. Unit 3rd, Economic Development, Growth of Industries, Raurkela Steel Plant and Odisha's Bronze Iron Limited, B. Irrigation and Agricultural Infrastructure Development in Transport and State Communication, National and State Highways in Odisha. Unit 4, Social Development and Problems, Government Community Development Programs, its impact, Peasant movements, causes and effect, Growth of art and craft, Raghunathpur, Pipili and Bargarh. Here some of the reading list, suggested reading. Our project report, we can submit our project or we can give DSC 4th. The student may be allotted topics of their interest in the beginning of 5th semester classes. They may write the project reports on local history and culture, local personalities with their significant contribution to change the society and economy with historical perspective, containing up to 50 double-spaced typed pages. The students may consult the sources like local archaeology, manuscripts, community documents, oral traditions, oral narratives, local biographies, and family sources for writing the project's dissertations. The teachers will guide the students to complete their project assignments. The students may be allowed to fill up their forms after the submission of projects assigned to them. The student has to secure 50% of mark from the evaluation of the project and 50% of the marks in the Viva voice test, which are compulsory.